Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking steamed fish with garlic and black bean sauce. So let's start cooking. We'll now prepare the sauce for the fish. 5 cloves of garlic chopped. Put it inside a mixing bowl. About 5 to 6 grams of young ginger chopped up. 1 tablespoon of black bean paste. A lot of our viewers actually ask us, how does the black bean paste or black soya bean paste look like? This is actually how it looks like, the packaging. Okay. We also add in 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. And last but not least, 1/3 of a teaspoon of sugar. This to balance up the whole taste. Just mix them up together. And now we'll spread this over the fish. I have with me over here half a kilogram or 500 grams of snapper fish meat. This cost me around $8. I already scalded the fish so that the marinade can get in easily. So we just need to spread the paste all over the fish. This is very easy to do and very delicious. Goes excellent with your porridge or rice. You can also cook this for your reunion dinner. Of course, for reunion dinner, we have this saying, 有头有尾, so it's better to use a whole fish. Now after this is done, I like a little bit of spiciness on my fish. So I have jullienne, 1 chili padi or bird's eye chili, taken out the seeds, and I'm just going to spread them up on the fish like this. So we'll let this marinate for approximately 10-15 minutes. And in the meantime, we'll go and boil some water. I'll see you back in a while. The water is boiling now. We'll start to steam our fish. For steaming your fish, always remember the water must always be boiling. Put the cover on. The heat must always be on medium high or above. And we'll steam this for 15 minutes. I'll see you back in a while. 15 minutes is up. The fish should be done. Let's have a look. Yes, look at how beautiful this is. We'll now remove this from heat and serve it for our lunch. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. Grab some fish. Smells really good. Put it on the rice and some of this beautiful sauce. On the rice too. Let's give this a taste now. Perfect with steamed rice. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our dish. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.